everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be working on these cute little stickers that I made to personalize some candies for my little sister's birthday. It was Tangle themed, so that is what we did. And for the treats I'm making, very simple stuff. We only had a week to plan, so I just grabbed some snowballs, put a stick in there, and wrapped them up and called it a day. And of course some Hershey chocolates. So I'm sure you guys have seen how people like decorate a whole wrap for this and then, you know, make it all themed and stuff. For me, making a full wrap is kind of a waste since they're gonna rip it open to get to what they have. So I am actually just gonna print out like a sticker of my little sister to go right here and call it a day. Like always, we're just gonna measure, and this is about 2 by 2. And this is, again, same 2. Okay, so then the same stickers. That's fine. I have a dozen of these and a dozen of that, so 24 stickers. And I'll show you guys how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, here I am on Cricut Design Space, and of course we always start with a clean canvas. So this is my baby sister. Like I said, she is turning 5, so we're gonna make her stickers. My mom took this picture at her house, and I feel like it'll work perfectly for what we're trying to make. I'm just gonna save the image. And now we have it saved, but we want to remove the background, so we go to remove.bg. I always use this one, it's free, and it works great. So we're just gonna upload our picture. And like I said, see, it always does a good job of removing the background. So now we just download. And now we have the picture without a background. Now we can go over to our Cricut Design Space and upload our image, browse. And it's probably in downloads. So yeah, Chelly, remove. Okay, and we're just gonna upload it like that. The background's already removed. We don't need to do anything else. Just apply and continue and save as a print and cut image. Now, time to add like some cute little details. I like to just add a bunch of stuff, like whatever I have available, just to see if I'll use it or not. So I'm just going to add it. And then we basically decide, you know, what it is that we want there. So, of course, we want her number 5. And I'm just going to add a 5. And so we've been using the Beautiful Secrets font. I probably got that one from thefont.com. I always get my fonts from there. They're free. And since this is a sticker, I don't have to worry about, you know, the thickness or anything like that. So I like this. We're going to make this, let's see, purple for now. And add an offset like this and make it dark purple. Sure. We can always change the colors after. But since this is going to be a sticker, make sure that when you flatten, they're the colors that you want because they will stay like that. So here is Chelly. I probably won't use any of these because, you know, she's the princess now. So I'm just going to play around with this until I find something I like. So just keep adding, deleting pictures you want. Play with the offsets. It's really fun. Okay, so I found this picture, and as you guys saw, I just did a bunch of slicing to just get the flowers and the sun. And I think this looks really cute. I wanted some flowers, but mine weren't looking as good as these. And so I think this is actually how my sticker is going to be. And I'm going to save so it doesn't get lost. Now that it's saved, everything hasn't been grouped. I can still move things to the side and stuff. So once you're happy with your design, just select everything. I'm going to group it just so I can have it grouped. But what you really want to do is flatten it. So flatten. And then it makes it into like one image here. And that's your sticker. If you just wanted to do it like this, you could. But since I have this flowers like kind of floating around there, it's not going to work. It'll probably cut around the flower. So what you can do is add like a border. You can actually put it into a circle if you like. So then you just put your image in front of it. And this, you'll probably want it to be white. And so you would just put your image. Make sure it fits like that. And then select everything and flatten again. And so when you have this, you can go to make it. And you can't see it here, but it will cut out the circle. So you'll make like a bunch of circle stickers if that's what you wanted. I don't want to make it into a circle, so I'm going to unflatten this and then just separate it from that circle. I don't want that. I want to do an offset. So if you do an offset, the sticker is going to cut like around the edges, and I think it looks better personally, but again, your preference. So I'm just going to add an offset. And then you decide how big you want it. And what's good about this is that you can see where the sticker will go and everything, and where it will cut out. If you do it too small, you can see here it goes around the flowers, so it probably cut it out. So we can just make the outline a tiny bit bigger. If you don't want it black, make it white or whatever color you want. So flatten it. And then the size was 2 by 2, I believe. And you can just like duplicate them and keep, making more and more. But you can just leave one here, go over to make it, and in the copies, you put whatever you want. So I want 24 stickers. And that's actually really good. This is telling me I only need to print out 2 sheets because each sheet fits 12 stickers. Now, of course, last thing is just to continue and print them out. I will be using glossy printable vinyl, and it's the sticker paper, so there'll be stickers. Here I won't add a bleed because since it's white, we don't need it. Then I go to System Dialogs, and in Preferences, I'm just going to change the paper type to photo paper and the quality to best. And now we can go ahead and print our sheets. And if you guys want to know, this is the sticker paper I used. I'll have the link of it in my description below. And this is what we get. So I already cut it out, but I will tell you that Cricut is really bad with reading glossy paper. So I used Scotch tape, and I just put it along the edges, not too close to the inside because you don't want it to cut the tape, but just enough to get that line, and that way it cuts perfectly every time. And I do print this in vinyl setting. And of course, last part, we're just going to add it here. There we go. And same things for these snowballs. We're just going to take our sticker like this. And if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.